Hello, my name is Arif Irfanullah, and in this brief clip, I will share some advice on preparing for the Level 1 exam. My advice is based on 3 points. The first point is that you need to get on schedule. So if you have a schedule, that's great. Make sure you are on it. If you don't already have a schedule, then make one. Now, in terms of making a schedule, if you started your studies early, then I would recommend that you make a schedule such that you complete at least one round of the curriculum by early May. Your exam is in mid-June, so if you complete one round of the curriculum by early May, this will give you roughly 6 weeks for review and practice. Now, if your situation is that you started late and you are struggling, you still need to make a schedule. But if you are in this situation, then create a schedule such that you are done by late May. Now, even if you are done by late May, you need to give yourself at least 3 weeks for your final review and practice. So the key is make your schedule and then work extra hard so that you get on schedule. My second point has to do with learning actively. Now, different people learn in different ways. You might be listening to my videos, you might be reading the curriculum, you might be reading IFT notes. So whatever you are doing, make sure you learn actively. Learning actively means that as you learn a concept or as you understand a concept, make sure you practice some questions. It's only when you do questions that you truly internalize a concept. Now, we've made this somewhat easy for you. In our latest version of our learning portal, we are adding some questions after every lecture. So you can do those questions, you can do examples in the curriculum, you can do the examples in our study notes. So make sure that as you are studying, you are also solving questions. My third point is that you have to make the most of the CFA Institute questions. I've already talked about the examples. These are embedded in the curriculum readings. But at the end of every curriculum reading, there are several practice questions. You must do those. The people who are making your exam are also making those practice problems. So make sure you do them at least 3 times before your exam. So do them once when you finish a reading, and then when you are reviewing, do them again. And then a few days before your exam, look at all the questions that you had issues with to make sure that if there are concepts that you don't remember or if there are facts that you are forgetting, then you need to revise them right before the exam. Also, the CFA Institute makes online assessments available for you. You can access these assessments through the CFA Institute website. Those assessments are organized based on topics. So when you complete a given topic, then do the CFA Institute assessment for that topic. In the last few weeks, you should also do as many mock exams as possible, especially the mock exams that are made available by the CFA Institute. So that is it for now. Good luck with your studies.